If you are looking for a way to make your guests, students, or customers feel safe, these freestanding clear barriers will be perfect for any situation. Available in many different sizes, these lightweight, portable, and easy to set up barriers will not only act as a reminder for social distancing, but also help prevent unwanted germs from spreading. Great for schools, retail, offices, and anywhere with foot traffic, these barriers are an easy and affordable way to create a physical barrier which will help create physical distance between patrons. The spreading of the virus and other germs is of utmost importance right now, and we are happy to help you create a safe environment for your establishment. Let our friendly staff help make things safer for you with these and other PPE-related items. Give us a call at 877-368-5678.